The DJI Mavic 4 Pro is taking drone cinematography to the next level, and this time, it's not just about better image quality or smoother stabilization. DJI has completely reimagined how the camera moves, and it's doing something we've never seen before: full 180-degree rolls. That's right, no more tilting alone. This camera can now flip all the way around, offering brand new perspectives that were previously only possible with complex post-production tricks or awkward workarounds. Whether you want to shoot straight up, straight down, or flip your view mid-flight, this drone has you covered. But not everyone is thrilled with the new look. Jasper Ellens has pointed out that the design resembles a flying security camera, and honestly, it's easy to see why. It's a significant departure from previous Mavic models, but let's be real, every time DJI introduces a redesign, it eventually grows on us. And chances are, this new approach will soon trickle down to other DJI drones as well. One real concern that comes with this redesign is the camera's vulnerability. In previous Mavic models, the gimbal was positioned directly under the drone's body, giving it some level of protection in case of a crash. But with this new design, the camera is much more exposed, making it more susceptible to damage. Hopefully, DJI's upgraded sensing system will help prevent accidents and keep the camera safe from costly crashes. Given DJI's track record, they've likely put a lot of thought into ensuring this new setup is just as durable as its predecessors. Jasper Ellens over at Drone XL dropped some exclusive details about this new gimbal, and it's pretty wild. The camera doesn't just tilt, it can now roll beyond 90 degrees, reaching a full 180-degree rotation. That means if you've ever wanted to completely flip your perspective mid-flight, now you can. DJI is also introducing multiple zoom levels: 1.4x, 2.5x, and even 6x, giving pilots even more framing flexibility. And to make things even better, they've added dedicated buttons to manually control the roll, meaning you don't have to rely on post-production hacks to get those cinematic tilts and flips. Speaking of tilts, the remote controller now allows the camera to be angled from 90 degrees down to 70 degrees up. That's 10 degrees more than the Air 3 and double what previous Mavic drones could do. Instead of just compensating for movement or wind, this new system lets you actively create dramatic tilts and flips during your shots, unlocking new creative possibilities. As for the actual drone body, leaked prototypes from Quadroon News and Jasper Ellens have given us a glimpse of what to expect. Right now, these prototypes are still in the early molding stage, so the final version will likely have a more polished and textured finish. However, the overall design is starting to take shape, and it's clear that DJI is making some big changes. While we don't have all the official specs yet, leaker Igor has hinted that we shouldn't expect DJI to reveal them anytime soon. So, for now, we'll have to rely on leaks and speculation. The big question on everyone's mind is, when will the Mavic 4 Pro actually launch? At this point, there's no official word from DJI, but with leaks ramping up, it probably won't be too long before we get an announcement. If DJI follows its usual release pattern, we could see it hit the market within the next few months. Until then, all we can do is keep an eye out for more details as they emerge. Whether you love or hate the new design, one thing is certain: the Mavic 4 Pro is changing the game. With its groundbreaking camera movement, enhanced zoom capabilities, and expanded tilt range, this drone is pushing the boundaries of aerial cinematography. As more information comes out, we'll be covering all the latest updates, so stay tuned.